David pleads not guilty and demands preliminary hearing.
Calling People versus David Anthony Burke. That's case number 26 CJC F02399.
Lock him up.
Good morning or good afternoon, Your Honor. Blair Burke, Marilyn Bednarski, and Regina Peter on behalf of our client, David Burke, who's in custody.
Thank you. And good afternoon, Mr. Burke.
Deputy District Attorney Beth Silverman for the people, Your Honor.
Thank you. And counsel, on behalf of your client, do you waive formal reading of the complaint, advisement of rights, including armed forces and veterans' rights, enter a plea of not guilty, denying any and all special allegations, enhancements, and priors?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're requesting a preliminary hearing within the period?
Yes, Your Honor. From the media reports, apparently there have been 4 months of secret grand jury proceedings. We believe that Mr. Burke is entitled at the earliest opportunity to an open preliminary hearing and the proceedings not be done in secret. So we are asking for a preliminary hearing to be set at the earliest possible date on the 10th day. Your Honor, we believe the actual evidence will show David Burke did not murder Celeste Rivas Hernandez, nor was he the cause of her death.
So what happened?
And we would like to be able to have the evidence come into the light of day at the earliest opportunity in order to establish that.
Who done it?
We're asking for April 23rd as a 3 of 10, Your Honor.
Anything from the people?
We'll be very happy to put on the evidence that we've collected in this case in the last several months.
Thank you. So the matter will be set, plea of not guilty has been entered on behalf of Mr. Burke. The matter will be set in Department 105.
Really?
The matter is ordered assigned to Judge Charlene Almeida in Department 105 for all purposes by the Judge of the Supervising Judge of Criminal.
Yes, Your Honor. If I may just put on the record, we have, as soon as the people arrived, delivered a informal discovery request consistent with Penal Code Section 1054. We have been given almost no discovery thus far. We've received a 3-page follow-up report, no autopsy report, and a copy of the complaint. And we would ask the people respectfully to produce discovery at the earliest opportunity.
No autopsy report is great.
Counsel, there's approximately 40 terabytes of discovery in this case. Moreover, in order to obtain the transcripts from a grand jury investigation, counsel has to file a motion. She knows the way the system works. I'm not able to gather those. They have to be provided after the court orders them released because it was an investigation. Second of all, if counsel plans on going to a preliminary hearing within the 10 days, it is unlikely that there will be very much discovery provided within that period, given the voluminous nature and how long it's going to take to copy onto drives. In addition to that, the coroner's report was sealed in this case in order to prevent it from hampering truthful testimony from witnesses that testified at the grand jury. So an order will also have to be obtained in order to get the coroner's department, which is now the medical examiner's department, to release those materials.
Release the files expeditiously.
Your Honor, it's surprising news given the District Attorney's Office held a press conference this morning where they discussed the cause of death, apparently under seal and not released by the coroner's office, as did the robbery homicide unit to the press. So we would again reiterate, we believe that Mr. Burke is entitled to discovery. We have served the people with notice. They have 15 days to produce discovery in this case. We would ask that they do that in conscientious earnestness and as quickly as possible.
I'd ask the court to make an order today. We'll take a copy of the minute order ordering the Department of Medical Examiner to release their coroner's report in this case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The court will order that the medical examiner release the report in this case forthwith.
Thank you.
The matter is set in Department 105, as the court indicated, April 23rd, 2026, as a 3 of 10 prelim. Anything further?
No, not this time.
Bail to stand at no bail. Thank you.
Thank you.
No
Your
bail. Keep him there. Keep him in that cage. Flippin' scoundrel, bruv. How dare he thinks he gonna get away with this? Not guilty, my big toe. Alright, David, we can see it in your eyes, bro. I know this face. I know this facial expression. This is the facial expression of a sicko. A psychopath, bro. Alright, you cannot let this man walk free. But I have a feeling with these LA courts, man. Things go missing, evidence comes up lost, and all of a sudden, the star walks free. How many times have we seen it recently? Especially in these celebrity cases. People just get slaps on the wrist now. Slaps on the wrist now. Bro gonna do like 3 years, 4 years like Diddy or something and walk free. I see it going that way. I don't know. I just have that bad feeling in my stomach. I know these guys, they always get away with it somehow. These guys, bro, he wrote songs, bro. He wrote songs about what he did, bruv. Now we gotta bring that thing back. Lyrics come back to court. Aye. Because this is the one man who definitely we have to go through his lyrics, bro. I think the lyrics thing, if you're saying something that you're being accused for in your lyrics, I feel like they have to at least investigate, do the things match up? Because then obviously, bruh, you're making tales and fairy tales about your nonsense that you do in real life, bro. Hurting people, taking their lives and all this stuff. Now you think it's art, you put it in a song. What type of sicko is this guy, man? Sicko, man. This boy been in sicko mode. Not the good kind. Like, comment, and subscribe. Support Always on Blaze. We're going to check in with this. And I just hope they give him the maximum, bro. Because it's a heinous what he did. And I don't care what they say. I know he's involved somehow. Firstly, he was with a minor. A burp. He's a PDF file, this guy. Let's just start there, bro. A PDF file. Of course he's deranged.